today for supper, boom, 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 we are turning in this plain frozen $2.99 pizza that I got here, okay, into a gourmet, delicious, amazing, delicious pizza with just a few fresh ingredients. You're gonna see how this can transform. All right, let's do this. Okay, so we got a few ingredients here that we're gonna use. Basically, we sliced up some thin tomato there. Okay, very thinly sliced. Just gonna spread that out. Our garden tomatoes, spread that out. And I just chopped up the garlic here, just a little bit, but I like big chunks of garlic, so we're just gonna roll with that. Just throw that on there. Boom. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay, and then our basil, freshly picked from our balcony garden. Look at that. That is gonna be good right there. Oh, it's nothing better than that right there. Okay. Pizzeria, we're all done here. Look at that. Maybe a little bit more basil, and then I have some garlic oil, okay? My mom brought this over to me the other day. I'm just gonna use that a little bit. Okay, oh, okay, maybe a little bit more than a little bit. Okay, garlic oil, look at that, boom. Oh, and then I was gonna use this olive oil, but we used the garlic oil instead, so all good. And then boom, we have ready a delicious pizza to go in the oven. Make sure your oven is nice and hot. Okay, so I'm a big idiot, okay? So there I was, so excited to eat the pizza that I took it out of the oven, started eating it, and then realized, oh wait, what about my video that I was making? Didn't even show the end product, the pizzeria, delicioso, mamma mia, pizza. Anyways, this is it. Doesn't look that great, but it was good, trust me. So, $2.99 instant pizza turned into a gourmet pizza with just a few ingredients. Boom. Buongiorno.